Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm glad to have you here. If you're into tech tips, smart gadgets, and easy to follow tutorials, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss an update. Let's get started. In today's video, I'll show you how to manually set up the TP-Link AX1500 Wi-Fi range extender. If you're struggling with dead zones in your home, this powerful extender can boost your Wi-Fi coverage in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Let's start by unboxing the TP-Link RE505X. Inside the box, you'll find the RE505X range extender, a quick installation guide, and a warranty card. The extender features a sleek design with two adjustable antennas and an Ethernet port. Begin by plugging your TP-Link RE505X into a power outlet close to your main router. Wait patiently for about 30 seconds until the power LED becomes solid, indicating that the extender has successfully powered on and is ready for setup. Next, grab your phone, tablet, or computer and go to your Wi-Fi settings. Look for a network called TP-Link_Extender and connect to it. You won't need a password at this point. Once connected, open a browser and type in tplinkrepeater.net or 192.168.0.254 in the address bar. This will take you to the TP-Link extender setup page. When prompted during the setup process, create a strong new admin password to secure your TP-Link RE505X. This password will be used to access the extender's settings. Once entered, click Start to proceed with the configuration steps. Now the extender will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select your main Wi-Fi network from the list. If your router has dual bands, choose both the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. Enter the password for each and click Next. You'll be asked to confirm the extended network names. You can keep them the same as your router's Wi-Fi or customize them. After confirming, click Finish. The extender will apply the settings and reboot. This may take a minute or two. After the setup is complete and both Wi-Fi LEDs turn solid, unplug the extender and move it to a spot halfway between your router and the area with poor Wi-Fi. Make sure it's within your router's signal range. If you run into any issues or need assistance, our expert support team is always ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for guidance or troubleshooting. Just give us a call at 1-323-507-3713, we're here for you. And that's it. You've successfully set up your TP-Link AX1500 manually. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments if you need help. Thanks for watching.